Can your car reach 500,000 miles, or about 800,000 kilometers, without major repairs? It's possible. While factors like the make and model of your car do matter, these 10 driving and maintenance habits can significantly extend your car's lifespan. Focusing on preventive care and efficient operation will show you how to achieve longevity engineering. Smooth driving habits are essential for extending your car's life to 500,000 miles. By avoiding hard stops and rapid acceleration, you significantly reduce wear and tear on critical components. Gradual acceleration and braking lower the G-forces acting on your vehicle. This preserves your suspension system, which absorbs road impacts, and your transmission, which handles power delivery. Smooth inputs also reduce brake pad wear by minimizing the heat and friction generated during hard stops. Engine strain is lowered as well, preventing excessive stress on internal components. Kinematics shows how higher speeds create greater accelerations and stresses. By driving smoothly, you control these forces, extending component life and reducing repair costs. Ultimately, smooth driving isn't just about comfort. It's a smart investment in your car's longevity, helping it reach that coveted 500,000-mile milestone with fewer major repairs. Adhere to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for inspections, filter replacements, and belt changes. This allows you to catch potential issues early, like a failing timing belt, which can destroy an engine if left unchecked. Preventive maintenance is key. Let your engine idle briefly after cold starts. This prevents thermal shock, which can damage metal components. Avoid overheating to prevent thermal shock, which can damage metal components. Give your engine a chance to reach optimal operating temperature gradually for better longevity. This is even more important in extreme climates. Avoiding overloads means never exceeding your vehicle's payload limits and removing unnecessary weight. This reduces strain on the chassis and tires while improving fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Using the correct fuel and octane rating prevents engine knocking, optimizes combustion, and reduces harmful carbon buildup that can damage engine components. As the automotive world evolves with electric vehicles and artificial intelligence, remember to keep these driving habits in mind. Even with new technologies, fundamentals like fluid checks and monitoring remain essential for reaching that 500,000-mile goal. Drive smart, maintain consistently, and enjoy the long road ahead.